Taylor with Agri Spray Drones. Right now, we are field testing the EAVision J100 with the upgrade kit. If you guys haven't heard the upgrade kit, that is a kit to upgrade your J100 to essentially a J70 power system, meaning all new wire harness and connection systems, all new ESCs, all new motors, and updated firmware. So the firmware on here right now is not limiting our speed. If you guys are J100 operators, you know that if you have more than 9 gallons in the tank, your speed is limited to about 30 feet per second. We took off with 15 gallons in this bigger tank on the J100. Right now we have 12, and we're still going 45.9 feet per second, 12 feet high, 30-foot route spacing. Your second year of the J100 should be even better than it was, more reliable, more efficient, and with a cool feature. If you guys are watching the drone right now, if I push up my left stick, the drone goes up. Might not be that big of a deal, but for J100 operators, that is a big deal because your stick was actually locked out during autonomous operation last year. The new firmware makes this drone operate much more familiar than what you guys are used to. Battery efficiency is a big thing on these drones. So whenever you can fly from takeoff through the first full tank at the same speed, 45 feet per second, that means you're going to get a lot better battery efficiency. We've got half of our tank sprayed out, and we are over a half battery left, meaning a J100 with a big tank in it is going to be an extremely efficient drone. I'll show you guys up close what this upgrade kit looks like. So this is a hardware and a software upgrade. Of course, software is all through the remote. That's all just going to be downloadable right here. The hardware is what you're looking at right here. So the upgrade kit's going to have brand new ESCs on all 4 arms, brand new motors on all 4 arms, and then all of this wiring harness right here. This is a new bracket and a new connection system. This is becoming industry standard actually, where you have your inlet power and your outlet power is actually inside of a housing that has an eyelet. So it's an eyelet that bolts on. So underneath this weatherproof housing right here, both these wires have eyelets and a bolt that goes in to this housing. This is actually on both sides. If you look over there on that side, that is the power coming from your ESC to your motor, and again, the same type of connection system. So this does 2 things. This, first off, makes this connection a lot more resilient to vibration and weather, so water from getting into connections. And secondly, this makes it to where it's much more easily swappable. To sort of swap out your ESC with a new ESC, just unbolt this right here, unbolt these 2 wires, these 3 wires, bolt on a new ESC, bolt those wires back on. Much quicker process and not having to deal with any coverings or anything like that. So this right here is the main part of the upgrade kit. Of course, the upgrade kit is also going to come with a full drone inspection. Inspecting the LiDAR, making sure that the LiDAR is on the inside of the LiDAR, the mirror is not rubbing the housing, and a full inspection of your spray system right here. So making sure that the ESC is up to date with the newest ESC, and installing a bracket on your solenoid right here to make sure that the wire is securely fastened, meaning your spray system and your power system and your LiDAR system should all be up to date, upgraded, and ready for the season. All right, thanks guys. See ya.